Hey everybody, we are so excited. The Creativate Retreat is coming soon. Registration is open right now for the Creativate Online Virtual Stamping Retreat. Now, save the dates, January 17th and 18th of 2025. We're going to come to you in the comfort of your own home, maybe with some crafting friends, and create with you Friday night and all day Saturday. It is such a fun day and fun experience. Our Creativate community is awesome, and everybody comes together to do what we love most, which is create cards, have some fun, giggle together, make a few mistakes together as well. But we just love to have fun and create our own handmade kindness. So we would love for you to join us for the upcoming Creativate Retreat, and we would love to have you join as a guest of Brandy's Cards. So in order to register, you're going to go to BrandysCards.com/Creativate, and it's there that you can get your registration. Now, it's a great thing to get registered sooner than later because we will be kicking off our pre-retreat tutorials. So every Monday leading up to the retreat, we have some pre-retreat challenges, if you will, that'll, let you dust off your stamps, get your creative mojo going, and jump in and get creating with us. One of my favorite things about the Creativate Retreat is our Facebook group, our private Facebook group. It's there that you can go and post your cards that you've created from the inspiration that we've given you. And not only will you be able to see our cards, but all of the hundreds of other cards that are posted. So it's kind of like the ideas that just keep on giving. It is absolutely amazing. Now, again, the retreat is coming up, so make sure you get registered and save those dates, January 17th and 18th. And good news, if you're not available that weekend, it's okay. The retreat is, it's taped. That's right. So you can go back and watch it at your leisure. You'll have unlimited access to the Creativate Retreat web hub page. So you can go back and forth and you can enjoy the tutorials and the videos at your leisure. And good news is if one of us is under the weather during the day of the retreat, the good news is we have all of the presentations have backup videos. So you'll never miss a single presentation. So we have all of those ready to go in the event that something happens and we need to share that instead of a live presentation. So at any rate, we are super excited. We hope that you will mark your calendar, that you'll get registered right away, and that you will join us as a guest of Brandy's Cards. We're super excited to see you there and have a crafty, fun weekend. Bye, y'all.